Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. And I'm starting this project using this wooden truck, and I'm going to paint him red. So I'm using this water-based red paint from Dollar Tree, and I'm painting it all over the truck except the wheel part or the upper part of the wheel, and also the cart part I'm going to paint with a different color. The upper part of the wheel I just wanted to paint in a circular way so I can fill in the right color for the wheels. I'm thinking it should be black. Now I'm using this black chalk paint from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint the wheels of the truck with this color. Now I'm going to paint all the parts of the truck, and also I wanted to give a good definition to this truck. Now using this brown paint, I'm going to color the cart of the truck so you can put our Christmas stuff in there. I'm going to let this truck dry, and I'm going to come back and decorate it. So I got this brush tree set from Dollar Tree, and I took the smaller tree and stuck it in the gap of the truck, and I'm also going to stick another Christmas tree in the back to just give a fuller look to it, and also some Christmas greenery in the front of the truck. And I plucked the decor from one of the ornament, which had a buffalo plate, red and black ribbon, and some pine cone and some greenery and some berries are there. It looks so nice and small and cute, so it goes perfectly with this truck. So I'm going to stick also this beautiful decor on top of the truck, just like this. So there, my truck is all pretty and ready. And this is my Christmas truck with some Christmas tree in the back and some decor pieces. So I painted red and black for the wheels, and the cart is brown. And I stuffed some of those brush trees in the back and some Christmas decor on the front of the vehicle truck. So yeah, this is one of the cute Christmas project. I'm just loving it. So let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with Christmas DIY Challenge, and this is hosted by Heidi over Heidi Sonboul DIY. I'll leave the links of her channel as well as the playlist in my description box. DIY number 2. For this project, I'm going to repurpose my shadow box one more time because it has some Christmas decor already in there. So this Christmas sticker I used for my previous project, and I'm going to stick two of those brush trees, the mini ones from Dollar Tree. I just picked with two different heights, and I'm going to stick it in one corner of the shadow box just like this. I have this wooden cutout of Santa that I used for my previous project, Christmas Gnome Village. I'm going to attach him in front of the shadow box, just like this. The center of the shadow box kind of looks empty, so I have this candy cane decor also from that set, and I'm attaching that in the center of the shadow box. And I also have some Christmas greenery I wanted to stick behind Santa just to give like a fuller look to it. Now I want to decorate the top of the shadow box with some Christmas greenery, and I'm just taking a dab of a hot glue and attaching the set of the 3 leaves, and also some of the pine cone and some berries and some Christmas greenery on top of it. So there, it's completely done. It looks so beautiful to me. So what do you think? So this is a final reveal of my beautiful Christmas sign. And like you saw the process, I just repurposed one of my other shadow box, and I attached some more of this wooden cutouts which I painted, and I created this beautiful sign with some more Christmas decor pieces on the top. And yeah, this turned out beautiful. So let me know your thoughts on this. DIY number 3. This is one of my favorites. So I have this beautiful Christmas tree box, wooden one from Dollar Tree, and I'm painting the back of that with apple barrel white paint. I'm giving the strokes in the direction of the tree so it looks like neat. And I'm also trying to fill the gaps in between the tree edges. And I'm planning to give at least 2 to 3 coats so I get like a nice coverage. So my Christmas tree box is dry and ready to be decorated. So I have this beautiful Christmas picks from Dollar Tree, and which has like a Christmas greenery and some pine cone and some red berries. So I'm just getting them ready to get stuck into this box. So I just like the way I wanted to arrange. So now I'm going to really use red and black buffalo plaid ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick it in the center of the Christmas tree because it looks so nice on the white background already, just like this. And I'm going to top it with the red velvet poinsettias on top of this. So they look so beautiful and ready. So what do you think? This is one of the beautiful Christmas tree decor, and I painted white, apple barrel white paint, And I stuffed with some of the Christmas decor pieces, greenery, some berries, and some beautiful red flowers, and buffalo checkered black and red ribbon as the decor for the Christmas tree. And this is one of the beautiful pieces that I'm in love with, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. So these are some cute Christmas decor that I'm sharing in the Christmas series. So let me know your thoughts, which one is your favorite, and you want to give any suggestions towards my channel. I would appreciate that. Like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.